Dude, this is beyond cool. 2 bald eagles, 1 male, 1 female. Or so the.
What's the other one? What's that one like there?
They're all 3 eagles. All 3 of them. Well, but male, female too. I don't know if the white is. Man, dude.
Oh, dude, look, this is a picturesque.
It's as good as it gets. This is Nat Geo right stuff, right here.
What's this river called again?
Chattooga. Highlight, bro. I mean,
That's especially on like the second to last day.
that's on the level of me seeing the moose in Colorado.
Really?
And to see him flying above, and you see the white fantail.
Oh, I wish we could get one where him just flying up right there, airplane style, and just.
I mean,
you kind of got one.
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit there. Is it still on?
It is.
Oh man, that